Hey guys, I just wanted to show you something that I made myself. This is a Toro Z Master 3000, a commercial mower, but the cooling fan that I did it myself. So this is it's gonna definitely keep you cool. This is how it works. Just turn on the machine and it starts spinning. It does give you a lot better feeling when it's really hot outside. When it's above 85, 90, you're definitely gonna have a huge relief from that. I promise you that, because I've been working 10 years without it and I can compare, believe me. So it's pretty easy to do. Spend about 50 bucks on that and it's worth every penny. So you can do it yourself too. You don't have to mow and keep sweating like that. So just use your imagination how you can do it even better. Maybe just make sure it's safe, make sure it's heavy duty, so you're gonna be running into different trees, shrubs, branches, so it doesn't, make sure it doesn't fall on your head.